Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion, I tell you, to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so I have unpacked for a less than 72-hour trip to Las Vegas in March. I previously was notorious for overpacking, and I've gotten better, but I think it's really tough to pack for a super short trip because you want to have enough options but not too many options. So I'm making this video for you today if you have that problem. Alright, let's get into it. So I wanted to show you guys this luggage piece before we get started. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but I do have this new luggage from Walmart. It's from the brand CWonder, which is also formerly the former spouse of Tory Burch. So you can see some kind of the branding is very similar. This is one of these hard cases. I do have a matching bag. I didn't show you guys the inside of the bag, but it's a really nice bag as well. If you guys want to see that in a different video, I can leave a comment below and let me know. Anyways, alright, so this suitcase has 2 compartments. As you can see, I already have some stuff in here because I packed, unpacked, and I wasn't sure what I wanted to bring. Still not 100% sure, but I think I'm set. I think. So for now, I have this Vera Bradley bag. It has my jewelry up top. I have a couple pair of earrings, some rings in here, and then at the bottom, multivitamin, and then some fish oil and probiotic, some body cream, body butter. I have some cough drops, you know, or sometimes my throat feels dry, especially in Vegas. Have some headache medicine. It's Vegas, girl. You don't need it. I have an extra wig cap here and then a little moisturizer just in case I need it. And in here, in this bag that says Bon Voyage, I have a pair of tights. It's supposed to be kind of chilly. Usually, I've been to Vegas. I think this is my 4th time going to Vegas. And usually when I go, it's super hot in summertime. So I'm freaking out because I'm like, I don't know what desert cold is like. But yeah, I'm going to put this in here. And then I also have, like I said, a pair of tights in here. I'm just going to put those in there. And then eventually I'll put like my dirty underwear and stuff in here. Or not dirty, but you know, underwear I've worn. I'll put those in here after I wear them. And I'm bringing 1 pair of jeans. These are the Levi Strauss. I have a video on these. These are the straight leg jeans. I just brought these. I'm not sure I'm even going to wear these, but it might be cold. So I'm going to bring these and put them back here in this compartment back here. And then I'm going to bring 1 sweater. This is kind of a tannish color. Oh, and my color scheme is black, white, tan. So every casual piece that I have, I can kind of interchange it if it's not really what I want to wear that day. So I have this sweater just in case it's cold, because I think Saturday it's going to be chilly. So just an extra layer. I'm going to bring that, put that back here as well. I'm just going to fold that back there. And then in here I have, I don't have like a set of packing cubes. I just have a couple of things that I use. And also, if you don't want to buy packing cubes, I don't really think you necessarily need them. Sometimes like bedding sheets come in these kind of similar packages. I actually just reuse those because, I mean, why throw them away when you can just make your own packing cubes? Unless you want a cute little set, but girl, who's gonna see inside your luggage? Nobody. Alright, so I have this Time and True cover up and some shorts. I figured I'd wear this down to the pool, and if we go somewhere after the pool. And I'm putting that up top here in this top portion. I have like some shoes that I would wear to the pool or just around the hotel room in there. And then I have, oh, I didn't even tell you guys, duh, the only reason we're going to Vegas is to see Silk Sonic. Hey, I'm so excited. So this is the dress I'm going to wear to the concert. Oh, it has this cute little split in the front. I got this, I think, from Charlotte Russe years ago. Yep, it's from Charlotte Russe, and I think it was maybe like $5. I can find a deal in a dress, girl. But it is held up for the test of time, and it is held up past the pandemic weight, so it still fits because it stretches. I'm gonna put that in here, and then I have this super cute top. It's a sweater from Sofia Vergara. It's like you can wear it off the shoulder or on the shoulder. It's a little puff sleeve. I still have not, this is new as well. It was on sale, originally $29. I got it for $12. So I'm gonna wear this black top with these shorts that I got from Poshmark. These are actually from Zara, but I got them for the low on Poshmark. And they are super cute. I've worn them once. They are high waist and they're semi-stretchy, but I like them because they're not tight on the legs, and girl, I got some thick thighs, okay? So, you know, I feel like that looks great together. All black, you can't go wrong. And then if I want to, I can probably match it up with this if it's too cold. And for nighttime, I'm gonna wear these shoes from Aldo. I've had these since college, so these shoes are like, I don't know, girl, 10 plus years old. And they are a wedge from Aldo, animal print. I'm gonna wear these with that shimmery dress. And then I have an over the knee black boot. Okay, and then in here, in this kind of makeshift packing cube, I have a super cute swimsuit. I'm gonna show it to you guys really quick. And then I have my underwear and stuff that you guys don't want to see. But this cute hot pink swimsuit from Victoria's Secret. The swimsuits are back at Victoria's Secret, girl, and they had their semi-annual sale not that long ago. So I think this top was only $8.99, and I think these were on sale as well. I can't remember, but I know both of them were relatively cheap. And I wanted a hot pink swimsuit, so this will be the swimsuit that I will wear. I do have this Sacramento hat. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, I'm gonna take this hat. That way I can wear it to the pool and then walking around, keep the sun off my face. These shoes were kind of the inspo for the color palette for here. I'm gonna wear these on the plane. And I don't think you guys can see it, but I'm gonna show you this is my travel outfit. Just a white shirt, some black joggers. These are my soft Vuori joggers, and then I just have like a black sports bra. I'll wear that probably both travel days. And then I have a random long sleeve black shirt and a short sleeve black shirt, just as alternate pieces that go with those jeans, that go with the shorts, and they go with the Vuori joggers. So I can switch those out. Again, we're only going to be there Thursday, Friday, leaving extremely late Saturday night. So not that much. We're not going to be gone for that long. So don't really need that much stuff. And then I just have like this silk dress. I have a couple masks. The mask mandates have been lifted, but girl, I still be wearing my mask. Okay. Okay. And this is a purse I'm going to take. This is from Primark. I think I got this in London, Primark. And I'm going to take my book bag here. This is my travel bag. I'm going to put the purse inside there. And then I have this Ruana. It's basically just a scarf. It looks like a shawl, but you can wear it multiple ways. I got this from Walmart last year. And I'm going to put my laptop in here as well. And then I'll try to figure out some books to take with me. I have snacks. I have my liquid makeup. A couple more masks in there. I have my denim jacket. This is from, is it 68? 68, I got this from Korea like 3 years ago. Oversized denim jacket. Again, goes with everything. Even the dressy outfits, I feel like this denim jacket will go with those as well. And I have all my tech stuff in here, like my chargers and stuff are going to go into this bag, which I'll put that in my book bag. And last but not least is this Vera Bradley bag. If you guys can see it, I'm not going to tip it all the way over, but it has all my makeup and stuff in there. And I'll put my toothbrush and toothpaste in there in the morning once we're ready to roll. And guys, I think that's it. Fingers crossed that I'm not too cold, but I'll keep you guys posted. And I'll have a vlog coming up after this video. And I hope you guys enjoy that pack with me, and I hope I was able to help at least someone who's going to Vegas in the early springtime. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.